This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel, and I am Prof.L.B.Gayakawad is teaching today the topic Types of Interviews, lecture number 274, and the part is 4th. Here we are discussing now the 16th type of the interview. The title of the interview is the video interview. The video interviews take the phone screening interview to the next level as the second step of the phone interview. Remember, the phone interview and the video interview, these are the two interviews in which there is the internal connection, means they are based on each other because the technique is used the same in these two processes. This video interviewer has been the significant part of the job application process for the companies. When you are sure of the tech systems, you will be 100% ready for the next interview. Now, the puzzle interview. Google and most highly companies ask the puzzle questions. For example, how many people are using Facebook in India at 4 p.m. on Monday? This is the puzzling question, and this puzzling question has been asked by the hiring manager only to test the knowledge and the quickness of the particular candidate. The detail we will see that this question is the puzzling question, but the interviewer wants to see the quickness of the candidate on the question which is asked on the proper time. They test him about how he thinks of the puzzling situation. Means when the puzzling situation comes into the life of the candidate, he should take the proper decision, and that's why the knowledge of the candidate is tested by such interviews. And how the candidate can progress in such a difficult situation, means here they see the endurance or the capacity or the abilities of the particular candidate. The working interview. Here the candidate will be given an actual job task and will be asked for completing. Means remember here, the working interview is the particular interview in which the actual job or actual work is given to the candidate, and the candidate is told to complete that work. They test here the capacity of the candidate regarding the given target. Means here, when they give him the target, that is the actual job task, that is the target for him, and with the help of such a interview or such a question, here they test the knowledge of the candidate or the capacity of the candidate regarding the target given. If the candidate has gone to attend the interview, he will capture his job easily. So remember here, there is the guarantee of capturing or of having the service there exactly. The career fair interview. If you are going to attend the career fair interview to hunt your job, you should be ready for this interview. Remember, this is very much important interview because it is called the career fair interview, because it is very much good opportunity for the career of the candidates, and that's why it is called the career fair interview. Here you will sell yourself to the recruiter. It means that the hiring manager will purchase here that candidate within 10 or 15 minutes to face the next full interview. Means this candidate has to face then the full interview. Exit interview. Exit interview means the interview which is for going outside. This interview is a meeting between an employee who has resigned or terminated from the services and the human resource department of the company. Remember, the title of the interview is exit interview. Now the exit means the departure. And here in this interview, there is the interview of the employee on the point of the resignation or termination from the services. So here, therefore, I will say here that the title of the interview is given exit interview. These interviews means the exit interviews improve the work environment and get job feedback. Remember here, in this interview, there is the ability or capacity is tested, and in such interview, the candidate can improve the work environment because he has been terminated from the services, so it is a new improvement for him. And to get job feedback means there is the opportunity to get the feedback from the candidate for his job. So they will ask the candidate on his resignation, means why he has given a resignation, or why he has been terminated from the services. In this way they will ask him the questions, and there will be the point of the new selection of the job and also the improvement in the new job, means the candidate will make the improvement in his new job, and also there will be the discussion on the selection of the job because that candidate has been terminated from his services. And now the final interview is the final interview, means its title is the final interview. This is 21st interview. This is the last step and the last interview to inquire about if you will get a job after. Remember, this is the interview which is taken for the test of the candidate, in which there is a question asked to him if he is uh, taken for the new job or if he will be selected for the new job. That is the particular point here in this final interview. The CEO or the upper management conducts this interview. Remember, the main, I will say the CEO or the upper management takes this interview. All the preliminary interviews should be taken seriously here. They will not think whether you have got the job or not. Remember here, those persons who are the interviewers, they will not think of the situation of the candidate if he has got the job or not. So today we have finished here the topic types of interviews, lecture 274. Till then, we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.